Welcome to my channel. This is Maxwell, and I want to show you how to apply for scholarship to enroll in professional courses in the Read2Skill project. Ghana Library Authority and Cohort of Learning and Coursera, they've come together to offer scholarship license to Ghanaians to enroll in different courses. These are online courses, professional courses that are world acclaimed and offered by top rated universities and institutions in the world. Now, our the third cohort is ending, and so application has been given or has been opened for the fourth cohort, which means Ghanaians can now start applying to be given the license to study on Coursera. And that is what I want to show you. I want to show you how to apply. So first, you just have to go to library.gov.gh. That's Ghana Library Authority's official website. I'll walk you through the entire procedure so that when you are applying, you wouldn't face much difficulties, or when you are helping somebody to apply, you'll be able to do that effectively. Now, the reason why I have brought you to this website is because that's the official way that you can apply for it. So there's the website of the Ghana Library Authority, and then there's a lot of tabs here. But what we are interested in is the programs. So the programs, we have a lot of programs that we are doing for Ghanaians. But for us and for this video, what we want to do is just to go to the programs and then apply. We are going to choose Read2Skill. I had a little challenge. Okay. If your internet is fast and strong, you can do this quickly. So you go to programs and then you choose Read2Skill. Read2Skill. Now another pop-up menu. Then you choose Google Edition. Google Edition. This is what we are doing. So Google Edition. That is the partnership with Google, and Google has offered us some Google career courses that Ghanaians can choose from. So as it loads, um, you know the criteria. Okay. Usually, most people who apply, they just go and apply, or they just get the link, the application link, or the the forms, the Google form link, and they start applying without understanding the project. So here we want you to read to understand what the project is about. So workforce recovery program, the program aims to build or help build new skills among unemployed citizens and workers who are interested in transitioning. So this is it, and these are the benefits, tangible skills. So you read to understand what you are actually about to apply. So don't click here yet. This is the partners, Coursera, Ghana Library Authority, and then Google. Scroll down, read more about it, understand the project, because coordinators usually don't like it when they always have to be explaining it to you. So these are the benefits, of course, and then you can read more details here. In line with our vision to connect people to knowledge resources, some people think that the library authority will give them uh, access to maybe go to abroad or go in school somewhere or give them job. What we do is we are connecting every Ghanaian to knowledge resources, and one of them is giving you the sponsorship to learn on Coursera. So you read about it, understand the nature of the project before you apply, and when you understand it, now you can click on apply here. Apply. Of course, you can continue reading here, right? Read more. What is Coursera? How to apply? All these things they are here. So if you've been on our site, you've been browsing our site, you get to know all these things. What is Commonwealth of Learning, you get to know so that you understand what the project is about. So you can just apply, click on apply, and then you wait for it. Now, before you apply, one of the criteria is to have um, a digital member ID, digital member ID. But let me go through with you. So this is what you're going to receive. The fourth course. So of course, we have opened this and we are waiting for you people to apply. Email. This is my email. Now, this is a personal email address. There are some people they will use institutional email address. As a coordinator, I would suggest you don't do that. Use your personal email and please type it correctly. Type it well. Type it well. And then some people they will something at maybe John Mensah at edu.ucc. Those things we don't want them. Just use your personal email for this. Right? Else you have issues. And then the full name, your name. So type your full name. If you are male, the male is there. If you are the age group, see whenever you see this red star, it means it is required. You have to choose it. And then your number, make sure you type a number that when we call an active number, just type an active number. And we are hoping that the number to will be on WhatsApp. If you are single, choose it. If you're married, you choose it. Then you go to next. So with the next, your region. So you choose the region. I am applying from central region, so I'll choose central region. And the region that you choose determines the coordinator that is going to help you achieve your success. Access to computer, smartphone, or internet. This is one of the criteria that we use to give you the invitation. If you don't have access to internet, there's no way you are going to receive the invitation. So please, if you have access, just select. If you don't have access, it means you are not going to receive the sponsorship. You choose any of this. Maybe you have it at your local library. So those who come to the YEC, you can have access. You can just choose this. Employment status. I am working. If you are not working, you can just click on you are not working, but I am working. If working, indicate the place of work. So for me, I am working. I work at the Ghana Library Authority. I work at the Ghana Library Authority. All right. So and then you go to the next. Are you registered Ghana Library member? Of course, I am registered. Now here, if you are not a registered library member, just select no. It does not mean that we are not going to give you the sponsorship. I mean, I'm registered already, so I'll just choose yes. You go to the next page, then indicate your library membership ID. So if you're a digital library member, you choose. If you are static, I am a static, and then the digital library member too. So I will choose static. You can choose digital library member. That's those who have downloaded the Ghana Library app. Now they are requesting for your ID. Provide your ID. The ID is your digital membership ID. So another requirement is that you have to download the Ghana Library app, sign up, and then you'll be given the ID for free. For free. So I did mine, and this is my digital membership ID, and this thing is now loading. If you don't have it, just go online, Play Store or iOS App Store. Go and search for Ghana Library app. Ghana Library app. Download it, sign up, and then um, when you sign up, the library ID like this, something like this, will be generated. This number is unique, so this one is mine. If you try using it, it won't work. They will tell you that it's for somebody already. So that's one of the things that you need to note. So I'll provide my digital ID here, and then I go next. Mind you, if you don't provide this, it is possible you not receive the sponsorship. Okay. Now the next one is select the learning platform to be considered for this program. You have Udemy, you have Coursera, you have Google. Google is still on Coursera, but initially we were with Udemy. Udemy, we don't have license now. So those all of you who are applying, even if you choose Udemy, it is possible that you are going to receive license for Google on Coursera. So me, I choose Google because it is Google career courses. Then next, they are asking for your area of interest. If you're interested in IT support or data analytics, just choose one. You just choose one. I am interested in project management, so I've selected it. But it doesn't necessarily mean that if I choose project management, I am bound to enroll in project management if I receive the license. The whole thing is that the moment you are given the license, it gives you access to all of this, and you will decide which one to enroll. So it is not compulsory that I selected this on my phone, but now I want to change and I have to maybe contact, no, choose one, and then when it is time, you have access to all of this. Next, why do you want this opportunity? For me, I just want to acquire new skills to broaden my knowledge, all of this. But if you have any other reason, just select other and then type your reason, right? But I will just select something like this and then we move on. Here is very, very important terms and condition. If you agree or if you are given the opportunity, you have to make sure that you complete one of the full modules of the project timeline. So within 6 months, you have to complete a course, maybe IT support specialist, finish a complete course. You agree to be consistent and active and learning on the learning platform and whatever. You read this, if you understand it, choose accept. If you don't accept it, there's no way we are going to give you the the sponsorship or the scholarship or the license, because we do not want to waste our license. It is being paid for you. Then you come to the privacy statement. To participate in Cohort Coursera Workforce Recovery Program, they will forward your email to Commonwealth and then Canada and then Google. And they will always also forward it to the coordinators. So we'll be calling you. If you agree, you just select, you give your consent. If you know, then you stop applying. After that, you click on submit. All right, so this is the feedback that you are going to receive. After you receive this feedback, you've successfully applied. The next thing that you do is just to wait, because when you are given the invitation, you'll be contacted in your email if you provided a correct email, and also you'll be called on phone if you provided uh, a correct uh, number if you didn't change it. Somebody, a coordinator, will call you and tell you that congratulations, you have received, and then give you instructions on how to enroll yourself. So that is how to apply for this. At the moment, we don't know the deadline yet, but what we know is that first come, first serve. If you apply it early, you will be considered first. Maybe you have limited license and a lot of people are applying, so apply now quickly. All right. If you face any challenges applying, you can leave comments below. Leave your comments below here, and then we will respond to you. You can also like and then subscribe so that there will be more engagement here. See you in the next video.